Closer to home, leaders could start testing the wastewater for the Omicron variant by the end of the week. News 6's Amanda Castro has the details.
Altamonte Springs is looking for Omicron in wastewater. City Manager Frank Martz says the molecular lab is developing a test to detect the new variant, with plans to test samples as early as Thursday.
It allows us to know what's in our community before someone gets sick with it.
The city's treatment plant covers parts of northern Orange County as well as Seminole County. Martz says testing sewage gives us a better idea of how COVID is spreading in our community.
It's important to be able to share that with hospital administrators and those people who are trying to do health policy for large areas. So when we can tell them exactly what's in our sewage, that knowledge makes us all safer.
We still don't know much about Omicron. USF health professor and virologist Dr. Michael Tang says the new variant has more mutations than previous variants, which potentially decreases the ability of antibodies to recognize the virus. And he says it's unclear if Omicron is more transmissible than the dominating Delta strain.
The concern is that if it can outcompete Delta because of this immune evasion, then we're going to have to, increase the rate of vaccinations, maybe even make an Omicron-specific booster. But, again, early days.
Dr. Tang says scientists hope to know more about Omicron in the coming weeks as cases are reviewed. But in the meantime, he's encouraging everyone to continue following safety precautions, as well as recommending booster shots.
And that high level of immunity will at least be able to absorb some of the immune evasion, I think. It depends on how immune evasive this Omicron really is.
Dr. Tang says it does appear some monoclonal antibody treatments aren't as effective against Omicron. Now, as for testing wastewater, we'll follow up with Altamonte Springs early next week and let you know if they find anything. Reporting in the newsroom, Amanda Castro getting results, News 6.